Good evening, children. Welcome to the live quiz. Ajiro Navama Srenira live quiz re sabu chua manku hearty welcome. Ajiro session will be very interesting because it will be a quiz on adjectives and adverbs. You will have to identify adjectives and adverbs in the quiz. So it will be very interesting. Sabu chua mane please mona deki suna questions chaku. And I'll also explain once you give the answer. I'll also explain kahinki set a right answer. Okay. So our topic today, as usual, is on adverbs and adjectives. And all of you, please join the WhatsApp group, children, so that tamane daily session updates paiva, regular interactions paiva, discussions paiva. So please join our Aviti WhatsApp group. Also, note down the WhatsApp number. Avetiro WhatsApp number which is 789 404 0614. 789 404 0614. Okay. Also, Avetiro spoken English class भी होची बहुत छुआ मैंने already जानी च and Aveti coding class भी होची आउ दीटा करे छुआ मैंने please enroll करो तमो सांगो भाई भौणी समस्तंको कुहो so that everybody can participate and avail the opportunity. All right. So let's begin our session today, children. Ajiro session will be about understanding adjectives and adverbs and identifying them. Before we begin, just gote mu brush up kari diye. Simple way, what is an adverb? Adverb hela that which describes a verb, an adjective or an adverb. Mane gote sentence re verb ko bhi describe kari pare, adjective ko bhi describe kari pare, kimba adverb ko bhi describe kari pare, taku kuha jaye adverb. And what is an adjective? Adjective is again very simple. It describes only nouns and pronouns. So that is the difference. Adjectives describe only nouns and pronouns, whereas adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So we know that adverb modifies a verb. So we examples diya jaichi. He sings loudly, very tall, or it could describe another adverb, ended too quickly. Quickly taku puni chadi identify koruchi, ended too. That also becomes an adverb. Okay. And similarly, adjectives hame already jani che. Big, small, many, few, millions, silly, yellow, fun, fast, kichi bhi, anything that describes a noun or a pronoun is an adjective. So eta already hame sessions re hame clear kari nahi che. So adhika description darkar nahi. So children, buck up, samaste ready hai jao. Let's begin our live quiz. Okay. Here you have to tell me एटी जो तमन को देखी पार्थुबो एटी careful एटा this word and quickly, careful and quickly. A sentence re the doctor was careful, he called the patient quickly. I want to know careful is an adjective or an adverb, and similarly quickly is an adjective or an adverb. So तमको तीनटा option दिया जाइची, adjective adverb, adjective verb or adverb adjective. It could be a verb also. So तीनटा option रू कोटा right option please तमने pick in करो and send me the right answer, and your countdown begins now. 1 second, children. All right, your countdown begins now, children. You can start. Arrow ta dekha jauni, no problem. Your countdown begins now. You can start. All right. So your countdown is done. And I can see many children typing in the right answer. Let me show you the right answer. The right answer is the doctor was careful. He called the patient quickly. Option 1. Option A. So the doctor was careful. He called the patient quickly. So kahinki, let me explain to you why this is. The doctor was careful. How was the doctor? The doctor was careful. So it careful is describing the doctor. Okay. So hence careful is an adjective, whereas he called the patient quickly. How did he call? It is answering the question how. How did he call the patient? He called the patient quickly. Hence, quickly is your adverb. Very well done, children. Shubham, Manisha, Arun, Rudranarayan, Madhusmita, Anilisha, Kavita, Vishwaranjan, Shubham, Sunita, Rupali. Everybody has answered rightly, children. Very well done. Smaranika, very well done. Madhusmita, very well done, children. So let's go to the next question. All right. So what is the next question? The big chain broke suddenly. The big chain broke suddenly. Now tell me the one which is in the big and suddenly. Please tell me which is the adjective and which is the adverb. Your countdown begins now, children. I'll wait for you to answer. Your countdown begins now. All right. So let me tell you the right answer. The big chain broke suddenly. Here, the big chain, the big, it describes the chain. Hence, big is adjective. And the chain broke how? How did the chain break? The chain broke suddenly. So what is your right option, children? Option A, adjective and adverb. I can see many of you are typing in the right answer. Arpita, Satyaranjan, Pragya, Purnami, Rudranarayan, Vishwaranjan, Sanskriti, Princess, Madhusmita. Everybody has typed in the right answer. Very well done, children. So the big chain broke suddenly. The big is adjective and suddenly is an adverb. Now let's go to the next question. Your dish has many tiny tomatoes. Your dish has many tiny tomatoes. So now tell me what is many and what is tiny, and your countdown begins now, children. Your dish has many tiny tomatoes. This is a very tricky question. Take your time. Please type in your option and the question number 3 and your option. I'll wait for some time and then give you the right answer. All right. So your countdown gets over now. So the right answer, children, your dish has many tiny tomatoes. Etare Pillamane, I can see many of you have given not the right answer. I'll explain to you why. Your dish has many tomatoes. So many describes what? Tomatoes. Similarly, your dish has tiny tomatoes. Okay, so tiny भी कौन describe करची tomatoes को. So both many and tiny दीटा को describe करचुंती tomatoes को, which is a noun. Hence, the right option here is option C. Both are adjectives. Both are adjectives. Third question, the right answer is option C. Both are adjectives. All right, children, because many tomatoes, tiny tomatoes, both are describing the tomatoes only. Hence, it are many and tiny, both are adjectives. So the right option for third question is option C. Now, the house is completely new. The house is completely new. All right. Now tell me what is completely and what is new. Please tell me what is the right option, children. Whether it is option A, option B or option C. This is also a very tricky question. आराम रे तमने आंसर करो किछि तरतर नहीं. But please give me the right answer and your countdown begins now. All right. So your countdown is done. And let me tell you what is the right answer, children. The right answer is option. The house is completely new. The right answer is option B. Adverb and adjective. Why? Because how is the house? The house is new. So new ta kon describe korchi? It is describing the house. Hence, new is an adjective. And what about completely? The house is completely. Kichi gote sentence form honi. So it is not describing the house. What is it describing? It is describing new. So, I already janiche an adverb can describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So, ethi jehetu new ko describe koruchi completely. So, completely is an adverb. Because new is the adjective and an adverb can describe an adjective. Hence, completely is an adverb. All right, children. I hope you are able to follow. All right, let's go to the fifth question. Of course, we always drink clean water. Of course, we always drink clean water. So here it is of course, and what about always and clean. A tinta word, you have to tell me whether they are adjectives or adverbs. So you have to find out which one is the adverb and which is the adjective. So please, your countdown begins now, children. I'll give you some time to answer. All right. So let me tell you the right answer, children. Kali ame padhithile. What is of course? Of course is a sentence adverb. So that ame already jani gale, it is an adverb. We always drink clean water. We always ta kona? Adverb of frequency. So we always drink. Mane ame sabubale piu. So it is qualifying the verb drink. How often do you drink? We always drink. So setipai always becomes your adverb again. And what about clean water? How is the water? The water is clean. Because water is a noun, tenu clean ta kon haba? Clean becomes your adjective. So what is the right option, children? The right option here, the right option is option C. So adverb, adverb and adjective. This is the right option. Adverb, of course, always is also adverb and clean is your adjective. All right. So let's go to the sixth question. Before that, children, let's take a break. Download your Aveti Learning app from Play Store. Okay. So that you can all install it and you can use that application. एंड ऑल्सो नवम श्रेणी पिला जी सब क्लास हो प्लीज छुआ मैंने एनरोल कर और भल पढ़ापढ़ी कर। नवम श्रेणी जीव विज्ञान, इतिहास, राजनीति विज्ञान, अर्थनीति विज्ञान, भूगोल, भौतिक विज्ञान, ज्यामिति, माध्यमिक बीजगणित, जीव विज्ञान सबू क्लासेस हो। प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज अवेल दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। ऑल राइट, नाउ the sixth question, children. It's a very interesting question. You have to tell me the fish swam slowly in the very warm water. Now you have to tell me, one second, children. You have to tell me what is slowly and what is very in this sentence. Is it an adjective or is it an adverb? Ditako adjectives, na gote adjective, gote adverb, you have to tell me. So there are no options given. The fish swam slowly in the very warm water. I want to know what is slowly and what is very. जो दिटा circle कराइची सेटा adverb ना adjective मते कहिबो. You have to type in slowly. You just type in. जदि slowly तुमको adverb लगुची adverb तापरटा कौन adverb ना adjective. Like that you please type in so that I will know what is the right answer. All right. So I've given you enough time. Now let me tell you the right answer. Before that, let us see the sentence. The fish swam slowly. So how did the fish swim? Swim is the verb, right? Swam is the verb. How did the fish swim? The fish swam slowly. Adverb of manner hegala. So slowly is your adverb. In the very warm water. How is the water? Water is your noun or subject. I'm sorry, water is the noun. So in the very warm water. So how is the water? Warm. Then what is warm here? Warm hochi tama adjective. Because it kohuchi tama water te usum heki achi. Then what is very? Very is describing what? Is it describing the water? No. It is describing the adjective warm. केमिति अछि पानीटा उषुम हेकरी बहुत उषुम ता माने it is not describing pani. It is not describing the noun that is water. Very is describing the adjective warm. बहुत उषुम. Hence very ta kon hobo? Very also becomes your adverb because an adverb qualifies or describes an adjective also. So the fish swam slowly. Slowly is an adverb and also very is also an adverb. Okay, children? All right, let's next go to the next question. The red car always works better. The red car always works better. एटारे मु तमनको किछि कहिबिनी. You have to tell me. I'll give you one hint. There is one adjective in this sentence and there are two adverbs. There is one adjective in this sentence and there are two adverbs. Gote adjective achi और दीटा adverb achi ए sentence रे. You have to type in the adjective and the two adverbs. कोटा adjective से word टा type करो and आउ जो दीटा adverbs अच्छी सेटा को भी type करो. Your countdown begins now, children. I'll give you some time and then I will circle the right answer. All right. So your countdown is done. Now let me circle the right answer for you, children. 1 second. The red is your adjective because the car is your noun. It is qualifying the car. So red is your adjective and always and better are your adverbs, because the red car works how? It works always better. तामने केमिति काम करे? Works टा होची तम verb. The red car works. Okay, how does it work? It always works better. So एटा कौन को qualify करूची? Works को. तामने verb को describe करूची. The word always and better. So red is your adjective and always and better are your adverbs. So there are two adverbs and one adjective in this sentence. I hope you are enjoying, children. So let's go to the last question. We laughed so hard that our stomach really hurts. We laughed so hard that our stomach really hurts. Now you have to tell me, children, 1 minute. What is so, what is hard, and what is really? So you have to tell me whether so, hard and really, a tinita word kono, adverb, na adjective, na kono. So your countdown begins now, children, and I'll give you the answer after some time. All right. So your countdown is done. So let me show you the right answer. Before that, eti dekhini achwa mane, we laughed hard. We laughed hard. Tamane ame jore hasilu. So what happens? It is describing how we laughed. Kemi tame hasilo? Jore hasilu. So hard is your adverb. Jehetu hard is your adverb, what happens to so? We laughed so. Is it describing laughed? No. What is it describing? It is describing how the adverb, how you laughed. It is describing hard. Mane ame we laughed so hard. Ame ette jore. Ette ta kon habo? That again becomes your adverb. What does that become? It becomes your adverb. We laughed so hard that our stomach really hurts. Eighty Chwamani, you can see what is hurts? Our stomach hurts. So hurts is your verb. How does the stomach hurt? It hurts really. So it hurts ko qualify koruchi. So really is also your adverb. So here so is your adverb, hard is also your adverb, and really is also your adverb. Because so and hard both are defining, hard is defining laughter and so is describing how hard. Tenu au gote adverb ko jota describe kare seta bhi adverb hue. Similarly, really hurts. Mane bahut kashto hochi, sattare kashto hochi. Kashto ta kono? Verb. So really becomes your adverb. So what is the right answer then, children? Option A becomes your right answer. We laughed so hard that our stomach really hurts. That is the end of today's session, children. I hope you enjoyed today's session. I really enjoyed, teaching you all this today. Next week, Chwamane Mutaman ko aguru topic ta de douchi, so that we will only do maximum quiz. Ame tike brush up kariki, we will only do quiz. Tike adverbs ko tike rest daba, so that tamane nale bore hi jibo. So we will we will do countables and uncountables quiz kariba next week Tuesday session re. So samaste se chapter ta padhi ki asta, we have already done that already, but we'll do a quiz which will be very interesting like today's quiz. All right. And dine dita class pore gap dela pore, we will again do adverbs and adverbials jota ame auri sarine. Adverbial sarine, degrees of comparison sarine. So a dita gote dita class ra gap pore puni kariba. All right. Thank you for attending today's session, children. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Kichi bhi doubts achi, you can always go through the YouTube once again. Thank you.